So today I'm going to show you to teach you how you can be able to delete a repository from your GitHub account. So now let's say this is a repository I'm having, it's a particular project. I want to delete this repository. So if I click on it, I click open. So the repository is going to open, the particular project is opening, whatever it is, whatever the files, whatever you're having in that repository. Then just go and click on settings. When you click on settings, you're going to see every detail about a particular project, the name, everything. If you wanted to rename it or whatever you want to do with it, you can do. Just scroll all the way down where we see the danger zone. This is the danger zone because you have to really be sure that you have to be very, very sure that is a repository you want to delete. Otherwise, once it is gone, your project, everything is gone. If you don't have any backup, then that is all. So if you come right here, you say delete this repository. So once you delete the repository, there is no going back. Please be certain. So you have to be certain. So if I click on delete repository, it's asking me, yes, from this GitHub account, I want to delete the repository hotel management system. It's a project. Yes, I'm going to click, I want to delete it. And it's going to tell you to make you to understand, to read here first, because to make you to understand before you do that. Yes, I understand this effect. I click on it, then it's going to tell you to confirm type. You have to type what to confirm. You have to type this name in order to confirm that you want to delete this particular repository. So I just have to click on delete repository. When you click on this delete repository, then it is going to delete it for you. So that is how we've successfully deleted that particular repository. And if you open your repositories, you see it says your repository, this was successfully deleted. If you didn't get the process, I'm just going to repeat the process again by deleting this particular repository again. So select the repository. All the files are going to be there. Go to settings. Scroll all the way down. You're going to see delete repository. You click on the delete repository. I want to delete this repository. Yes, you read here. Yes, I understand everything and I want to delete it. Now it's telling me to copy the name of the repository so that you should be sure that it's something you did there. And all these formalities is to make sure that is that a repository you really want to delete. So delete this repository. So automatically you see the repository is gone. It says your repository Nash, this in this particular GitHub account was successfully deleted. So therefore means I don't have that repository anymore. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to keep a like in this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. And support the channel by clicking the like button. Share with others. You can just look at the end screen and you're going to see a video on how to upload the files from your desktop, your laptop, or your PC to your GitHub account.